Global warming is a huge problem today and is continuing to occur in our world today. Many people do not know how serious the problem really is and how it is affecting our climate. One of the big problems is happening with the organisms and where they are having to go because of global warming. The organisms that are being affected are in great danger and they need our help to save them. For anybody else that doesn't know what global warming actually is, it is the rising of the temperature in the north and south poles, which is causing the temperature to rise everywhere else. It is also causing the sea level to rise, and the precipitation levels have increased throughout time. Although some damages that are occurring cannot be seen, it has become a huge problem in the world today. Global warming has had a huge effect on organisms and how they are able to survive. Some animals are able to adapt to the changes of temperature, but some animals are not so lucky. One of the main animals that is having trouble with global warming is polar bears. As the ice caps continue to melt, the polar bears are having no place to live. Every day more and more ice caps are melting, and eventually there may not be anywhere for the polar bears to live. The same problem is occurring with the Pacific walruses. Walruses spend most of their time on the ice, and as the ice is melting, they have to go farther inland. With this occurring, they are going to have to fight for food that is near land that they eat. Some of the animals are genetically able to adapt to different climates, but some are not able to do so. Although global warming has the most effect on the animals in the tropic region, they are also less likely to go extinct than temperate species. Migration for organisms is a big topic in global warming. Plants and trees are the most vulnerable organisms. Some of the organisms will be able to move north into higher elevations, but in time, some organisms could become extinct. Polar bears are predicted to move to higher altitudes because of the warmer temperature, but eventually they could become extinct. The birds also could go extinct because they migrate if the area they go to has little food. Because of global warming, a lot of birds could start to die. Many researchers that are studying global warming are trying very hard to figure out how to save some of these animals. It is really hard to save all of these because there is so many organisms that are being affected by this, including sea. This is why we need everyone's help to participate in this to save all of these animals that could possibly go extinct and die off.